name is Jilan and I'll be guiding you through the process of installing Ewity on your PC. But let me start by explaining how Ewity works as a cloud-based software. Although you have the option to install Ewity for easier access, keep in mind even with a local installation, internet connection is required for optimal performances. So Ewity do offers offline modes support, allowing you to continue sales during internet disruptions. However, as I mentioned, internet connection is needed to open or close the register and also bills to sync. So first thing you have to do is to download Ewity, open app.ewitypos.com on your browser. And you will see a computer icon button in the browser URL tab. You can install it from here as well. But if the icon cannot be seen, you can also download it from the control panel in Chrome by pressing the three dots here on the top right of the screen and select Install POS. Now you'll be able to open Ewity from the icon in your desktop or applications. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Ewity to your PC. Thank you for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.